Hi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we are going to crochet a granny square bag, and for this tutorial I'm going to be using a size 3.5mm crochet hook. So we are going to start by making the granny squares first. So you're going to start by making a magic ring. And you're going to chain 1, next you're going to work 2 more chains, 1, 2, so you're going to have a chain of 3. Your chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, so you're going to work 2 double crochets. So you have 3 double crochet and you're going to chain 2, and you work 3 double crochet. That's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, you work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and you work 3 double crochet. So when you have 4 clusters of 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to chain 2, you're going to chain 2, and next you're going to work a slip stitch on your first stitch, chain 1, and you're going to cut your yarn. So what you're going to do next is you're going to pull your tail to tighten your ring, and next you take your second color and work a slip knot, and you're going to yarn over, so you work your first double crochet standing. So it's your first standing double crochet. Next you're going to work another double crochet. So you have 2 double crochet in your chain 2 space. Next you're going to work in your next chain 2 space, you work 3 double crochets, you work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and you work 3 double crochet. In the next chain 2 space you're going to repeat the same pattern, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and you work 3 double crochet. So we are almost at the end. So when you get to your starting point, you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2. Remember you had 2 double crochet at the beginning, so now you're going to work 1 double crochet. Your 1 double crochet, so you have 3 double crochet, and in your first stitch you're going to work a slip stitch, chain 1, and you're going to cut your yarn. So your round 2 is completed. Now you see you have spaces between your 3 double crochet. You're going to take your next color yarn and you start from the space between your 3 double crochet, and you're going to continue working. You work a total of 4 rounds. When you work your total of 4 rounds, this is how your work is going to look like. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Now for your round 5, you're going to work single crochet stitches. So you take your next color yarn and you're going to come to any of your stitch, and you're going to reattach your yarn, chain 1, and you're going to work single crochet stitches round. You keep working single crochet stitches. Single crochet stitches. When you get to your chain 2 space, you're going to work 2 single crochets. That's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and you continue working single crochet stitches around. When you get to the end, you're going to cut your yarn, pull your working yarn up, and then you're going to use your yarn needle to close. So you're going to come to your first stitch and next to your last stitch, and now you're going to go in and yarn in your tail. When you're done, you're going to work 9 more granny squares, so you have a total of 10 granny squares. When you have a total of 10, you're going to start joining them together. So you start by joining 2, so you have, for the granny square behind, you're using the front loop, and for the one in front, you are using the back loop. You're going to join like that until the end. This is what you're going to have when you're done joining. So you're going to take the other 2 that you've joined, this another 2, you're going to join it to be 4, like this one that I've joined already. So you see this is 4, this is 4, that's 8, and then we have 2, which is 10 all together. So you're going to join these 2 to this other 2 the same way, and when you're done joining your 4 all together, this is what you're going to have. So you have this 4 and this 4, and now these 2 that you've joined as well. Now you're going to put all of this to the side, and you're going to take your yarn, and now you're going to work this base and the sides and also the back strap. So you're going to take your yarn, you work a slip knot, and you're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you want it to be larger, if you want your side and the base to be larger, you add the chains, and if you want it to be smaller, you're going to reduce the chains. Next, you're going to skip the last chain on the hook, and using your back loop, you're going to work single crochet stitches. Okay, single crochet, single crochet, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, and you should have 6 single crochets all together, and 6 single crochet. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work, and you're going to work 6 single crochet stitches. So you continue working your single crochet stitches to the end. And when you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to turn your work, and you continue working single crochet stitches. You keep repeating the pattern until you work the length you want. You can measure it. When you work, you can measure it round and see the length that you're going to want, or the length that is going to be okay for you. And when you're done, this is the length of work. This is how your work is going to look like. Next thing you're going to do is to take one of your 4 granny squares that you've joined, and now you're going to attach it to your back. So you're going to attach it 3 sides like this. So when you're working, this is a stitch, this is a stitch, this is a stitch. When you're joining, this is a stitch. So you're going to start from here, and you're going to join. Yes. So that's how you're going to keep joining. You join around to this part here, to this end here. Now when you're done, when you reach this end, this is how your work is going to look like, and then you're going to be left with this other part, which is going to be for your back strap, and you're going to join at the end to the side. So next you're going to take the other 4 granny square, which is this, and don't forget you're going to have, you're joining it with the rough side facing up, and you're going to make sure you start from this end, go this way, so that you don't start from here and then you come and here is longer or shorter. So you have to start from here you join this one to the end. When you've joined both 4 together, 4 and other 4, this is how your work is going to look like. Now you're going to turn it and the next thing you're going to do, you're going to adjust it well. And next, make sure you adjust your strap, and you're going to join it together, this end to this end. You're going to take this side to this side, and you're going to join it. So I'm going to take the back loop and the front loop and join, so we have a nice look at the front side. You take back loop and front loop, back loop, front loop, and when you're done, this is how it's going to look like. The next thing you're going to do is this 2. So this 2 is going to serve as a covering for your back, like so. So what you're going to do is to work single crochets so you can go around the side. So you're going to work a slip knot, and then you're going to take this your 2, and you're going to come to this end, and you're going to work a single crochet stitch there. And you work single crochet stitches, single crochet stitches. So work single crochet stitches to the end here. So you're going to work a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds of single crochet, and this is how your work is going to look like. So this part is going to be the part that is going to close on your back like this. So next, you're going to join it same as you've joined other ones. So this is the rough side. I'm going to start from here. Oh, sorry. To here. So I left a long tail. I left a long tail of yarn. I'm going to reattach it. So I'm going to continue working with this yarn. Like you join the back strap, I'm going to take back loop and front loop. Back loop and front loop. So back loop, front loop. take the back loop and the front loop. The back loop and the front loop. And you're going to join like that to the end. And when you're done, you're going to, it's what you're going to have. So it's going to look like. So you're just going to close it. And this is how your granny square crossbody bag is going to look like. Very beautiful and very easy to make. You can also add a button here and a little hook here and a little button here if you want. And if you don't want a button, you can still leave your back like this. It still looks very, very beautiful. So this is how your back is going to turn out. Very, very beautiful and very, very easy to make. So this is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.